Hello, Internet, and welcome. I'm Joel, and today we're going to have some fun trying to get ChatGPT, to work. Although I'm struggling more with the OBS to work for some reason. Um, Keeps locking up on me for no visible reason. Let's get a little light on the situation. A little bit. Maybe a little too much. But that's okay. We will live with it. So, what is GPT chat? Well, I'm glad you asked GPT chat. I'm sure you've seen a video in the past recently about GPT. Um, it's a AI implementation um, model. 1 second, I've got to take care of some things with some
A lot
kiddos.
of streaming.
Well, let's not do that. I'll be back. Well, isn't that how it always works? As soon as you get ready to start, kids don't bother you for an hour, and then as soon as you get everything set up, Dad, we need you. Okay, we're all settled and good. So GPT or Chat GPT is a chat implementation of GPT that allows you to do cool things. So let's see what kind of cool things we can do. So it's a chat bot, right? Set up as a chat bot, but can I code for you? So just as a real simple uh, so write a web page that allows the user to select colors, draw with the mouse, and then save the results. Include a reset button. This might be a bit much for it. It should be able to do it pretty good. Sorry, 83. Okay, it's still going. And there's our web page. So we can copy this code, throw this into a text editor, save this as, and we'll just save it as drawingpad.html. Now we can open drawingpad.html in our web browser and see if it works. Last time I did it, it worked just fine, but I added a few extra features, so don't see any color picker. Let's go back and see. Oh, this didn't actually load, did it? Drawing pad. Something's not going right. It is not loading. So we have errors. Let's hit F12 here. My computer is acting up. Drawing app. Choose a color to draw with. Well, there, it loaded. Like I said, the computer is not behaving well today. Yeah, Linux is great until it's not. Choose a color to draw with, but you don't give me any selections. Red. So like I said, sometimes it doesn't work like you might like. And my Firefox browser is bugged out. Okay. Let's try again. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. That was my computer bugged out. I should probably look at the file. Normally I do. We'll do a little simpler, okay? Write a website that with a drawing, a place to draw. Window with a there we go. I think I have to say draw with the mouse. Sure, here's a basic HTML code. It takes it a minute. Oh, let me pull that back up so you can see. There we go. By the way, if you have any ideas of things we should make, throw them down in the comments. I've just been having a blast with this, making some things work. And I thought other people might enjoy it too, so let's get save as. Overwrite it. Sorry about that loud doing. I think you have that muted for you anyway, but maybe not. And now let's try open that with Firefox. Color picker and drawing tool. Use the color picker below to choose a color with your mouse and then draw on the canvas. Here we go. So we can, apparently we have to pick a color first. This is interesting. So the last time I did this, almost identical prompt, the color picker was a little different. It was like, I had a slider where you could select which color, and then the rectangle is like full intensity on this side and black on this corner and white on this or whatever. Okay, so this works. See, I picked a bad color, but there we go. You can see that. So we can draw. Let's reload this. We can draw a smiley face. See what a custom color. So this was basically, I have the screen pick off your screen, so I could say I want this color of green. Oh, that's. I mean, look, I wrote one sentence, and it's like, oh yeah, here's this amazing color picker, and have at it. Like it does everything you would want. You got these colors, you got your custom colors, your list of past custom colors, and I wrote zero code. I just copied and pasted. I didn't even have to like troubleshoot it or figure out what I wanted to do or what it was doing wrong. I just, bam, there it is. Anyway, this is like crazy. So that's that. Okay, so what else can we do with ChatGPT? Do we care? So I have a couple tools I want to try to make, and I won't get to all of it today. We'll have to be a recurring stream, and maybe it'll turn into a video at some point. Um, so I want to make a tool that works on my Linux system, and then eventually maybe port it to Windows, because why not? Uh-oh, my camera just turned off. Let's see what's going on with that. Camera. That looks good. Huh, my camera's gone. Oh, I know exactly what's wrong. So this segues nicely. I have this tool called OBS MIDI, and it has some minor bugs, including camera scaling. This always resets to 0. Don't know why, but it does. So now I can properly size my camera without it going haywire if it works. Sorry, one moment. There it is. Transform. Reset. Transform. Okay, now we can adjust our width down to something sane. Scale it down where we like it. Move it over there where we had it. Okay. Yeah, so that's fixed. So that bugs out occasionally, and it's really annoying when it does. The scale gets thrown off. So basically, what I've got going on, I got this MIDI board, and when I turn this knob, it scrolls. When I turn this shader, it scrolls it up and down. I did the same thing with the width and the height, and then I can use it to scale, right? I can also control volume, so I can hear me or bring it up all the way or whatever. So that's what we've got going on there. It works most of the time. It's buggy sometimes, but I would like to do that audio stuff anyway, outside of OBS, right? So I would like to build a tool that I can use outside of OBS. Hold on, I gotta go deal with kids. Let's throw up the color picker real quick. All right. So, what else can we do with this? Right? Simple color picker. That's fun. I haven't had the ability to erase. It's missing a lot of features. We can go through and add features one by one. In fact, let's try it real quick. Add the ability to a brush size. And so he's going to think a minute. Think. It will process for a minute. So like, this is what you need to do. Add this select. Okay. And it didn't fit it all in one, and when it does that, that's when you have issues. Yeah, you have a spoon on your belly? You want some more breakfast? I've been muted this whole time. Oh my word, I'm so sorry. It is so slow today. It was way faster yesterday. It was like last night I was on here and I was like just going. I was like, oh man, this would be fun to stream if anybody jumps on and listens. Yes, it was possible to draw a house. Here's an example. Um, the rectangle element is used to draw the house body. The polygon element is used to draw the roof. The circle element is used to draw the chimney. And the final element, rectangle, is used to draw the door. Of course, this is just one way to draw a house using SVG. Okay, so let's see what its house looks like. So we want his and we want new. I'm going to paste that in there, save as. And now we can open house. And that's going to need to be opened in there because it doesn't open in there. So the roof is a bit odd. The chimney is in a bizarre location, but we have a house. Let's read through this again. We'll put this over here where we can sort of see it. Pull up that. Put this here. Okay. So there we go. Oh, it's so small as I can make it. Well, whatever. Okay. The rectangle is used to draw the house body. So the rectangle is the brown bit. That's not it. Where did it go? There it is. The brown bit. I'm guessing this is brown. Looks red to me. The polygon is used to draw the roof. Yeah, so that gray, weird, shapey thing. That's the roof. I mean, if you're looking at it, I can see that being a roof. The circle is a chimney, and the rectangle is used to draw the door. Here's the door. Not anywhere that makes sense. So yeah, we deconstructed the house. Now, if we put the door there, and we do something, I mean, there's the roof. Yeah, we put everything in the right spot. Now we got to put that on top. Send that to the back. How do I do that in here? I thought I was here, and I could do send to back. Or I don't want to bring it. I want to send that to the back. Well, anyway, we're not going to save that. No, close without saving. We want to save the house and all its amazingness. Okay, so it's not great at drawing. Not with SVG anyway. Draw a cow, a logo for a okay, so let's see what kind of logo it comes up with for a YouTube channel. That's you evaluate a drawing that looks like a YouTube logo. Oh, I didn't want a YouTube logo, but let's see how close it is. New. Save as. Yeah, it totally took that not where I was trying to go with it, but I mean that could be a logo for YouTube channel, right? It's not the YouTube logo. It's a weird circle-y thing. So yeah, it's not the worst YouTube logo in the world. Okay. Draw a or a sells fishing Uh, oh, the phishing. It spell checked it. All right, so let's copy the code. Um, I didn't even look at it, so because that's half the fun is just Fishco. Whoops, that's fine. Oh no, that was what I wanted to do. Fishco. So as far as logos go, GPT seems to think that all logos should be a circle and a square with a triangle. That's fantastic. Circle, square, triangle. Um, that's what it gets from a logo. Circle, square, triangle. All right. So let's see what GPT thinks my logo should be. Save as. It's the same as a YouTube logo, except it says Joel Cook on it. So, yeah. Well done, GPT. Well done. That's fantastic. Um, the logo is a YouTube logo is spread circles, little house thing, the name of the channel on it. That's brilliant. Okay. Enough logos. It doesn't try to get it to do something besides like a circle in it. Um, um, okay, he's like, yeah, we're doing SVG. Cool. He knows that. SVG file, okay, logo. Green rectangle polygon used to draw blue diamond, and the lines element are used to draw white lines. The logo does not use any circles or triangles. Of course, you can customize the logo by using different shapes, colors. Okay, so I mean, if I needed a simple SVG logo, uh, I think I'm done with logos for now. But let's see what. So we got a green square. Uh, I mean, that could be a logo, right? I might resize the green square a little bit, or maybe you want it just like so. But yeah, this is a logo with no no triangle, no triangles, right? It's a diamond, not a triangle. No triangles. One, two, three, four. Even when he tries to get rid of triangles, it still draws triangles. Oh, this is great. Okay. Again, feel free to throw any ideas of things that we can have this do in the comments below or to this wherever they go in chat, and I'll see what we can do. All right. So I was saying earlier about the things I wanted to try and make ChatGPT do for me. So we got two projects that I want to make, and might as well see if he can do it. Maybe a third one. We got the MIDI audio controller because the only thing I get is like basically the same thing if I ask it to just do it. So I need a script to control audio levels. I need a program. Write a program to control audio levels in Ubuntu using MIDI. CC. This is not what I asked before. Let's see if this is any better. So MIDI channel number, CC number to use for volume control, the initial volume level. Okay, so this does it. Did I even, yeah. Raw MIDI out equals null. Or opening MIDI output return. I don't know why we're sending MIDI controls. I mean, I do want this program to be able to do that in the end. So basically, I'm going to break this up into little modules. I think I'm going to try and get ChatGPT to do that, and then go from there. Well, it's been fun. Little quick exploration into this. I got some things I got to run and do. Then I will come back at some time in the future, and we'll have a part 2 where we try to build something actually useful. Although this little drawing tool, you know, it's not half bad considering that I made it in like 5 minutes. I mean, I can't draw worth anything, but maybe if I use this pen tool, I can draw something. I don't know what it is. Let's refresh here. So we're going to draw a smiley face. Oh, yeah, it's over there. I forgot the canvas is. Okay, that would turn into his chin. And he's got some big ears and cheeks. Maybe that's his shirt. I don't know. And a tuft of blue hair because he's all blue. We'll make his goggles blue because those are obviously goggles and not eyes. I'll pick a new color. Whoops, I did not put the pen down. Oh, ooh. There we go. Yeah, the going outside and not putting down is a problem. And then he can have a big bushy bush thing in the background. I mean, you know, it's like it's a serviceable little art thing. Anyway, I think what we're gonna do is put together a little website somewhere. Maybe I'll let GPT help me with that. Set up a web server, and why not? And we'll start posting these silly little drawing tools that ChatGPT made because it's funny and it's fun. And like I said, feel free to jump in the chat anytime and offer suggestions. I'll be checking the comments on the underneath this stream. So if you have any ideas for what I can make next time, throw them down there. I'll see you next time. It's been fun. This seems like a fun toy, eventually a powerful tool. I mean, like I said, this is like with very little thought, just let's make a thing. Let's not even think about the thing too much. We need a thing. So, and now we have this little drawing. I was like, what can I make it draw? How about a drawing tool? And it made a drawing tool. And yeah. So we're gonna see how far we can push this. Till next time, hope you have a great one. It's been fun. I really enjoyed it. I hope you have too.